Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is A and B working together take 15 days to complete a piece of work. If A alone can do this work in 20 days, how long would B take to complete the same work? So here we have to find out the completion of work for B. So it is a very easy question, but you need to understand it carefully. So let's suppose we take that A and B together can complete the job in how many days? A plus B together can complete the job in 15 days. So why we have wrote just like this? So here a man is inversely proportional to time. So what does this mean? If you increase the number of men, then the time will be reduced. So that's why we have taken inverse proportion. So this means encouraging the strength, the number of people, or the power of any people or a machine, then the time required will be reduced. And if you decrease the number or strength of any person or man, then the time required that will be great. So this is from this we have just taken. So this becomes that is M is equal to 1 upon T. So here the time we have just written that is inversely proportional. So for this, that's why we have taken this. So A and B can complete a job in how many days? In 15 days. And A alone, so here it is A alone can complete the job in 20 days. So this day represents the inverse of the time. So we take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. A is equal to 1 upon 20. So putting the value of equation 2 in 1. So we have to put the value of A in equation 1, and A we are having the first equation A plus B is equal to 1 upon 15. And what is the value of A? That is 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20 plus B is equal to 1 upon 15. So this becomes that is B is equal to 1 upon 15, and this 120, sorry, and this 120 goes this side, becomes minus 1 upon 20. And after the calculation we get that is B is equal to, and here we take the LCM. And what will be the LCM of 15 and 20? So taking out the LCM we get here that is 60, and further solving is 4. So we write 4 minus, and 20 divided by 60 divided by 20, that is 3. So here we get that is 1 upon 60. So here again you see that B is equal to 1 upon 60. So this represent the inverse character. So alone B can complete that work in 60 days. So our answer is 60 days, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.